kapulisan natin kung si Donald Trump na ang bumisita sa bansa natin. Diyan lang nakarapatan si Salta uli.
We denounce the US's role in using the Marcos administration and Philippine territory to foment war in the Asia-Pacific region. Secretary of State Marco Rubio represents and articulates the U.S. Line in asserting its political domination globally. As much as the U.S. intervenes and intrudes on the affairs in the Philippines and many other governments that it is allied with to pursue its interests.
Number one, terrorist!
Sa ating